The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Bitcoin Daily Show. Every single day, 9 a.m. Central European Time, without notifications, because it was not sending notifications, you know. So you gotta come here, 9 a.m. Central European Time on the dollar, and there will be a show. There will be a show without notifications, without anything. You know, you just close your eyes, you go to YouTube, you know, click the link to the channel, and there will be a live show every single day, 9 a.m. Central European Time. How's everybody doing? Bitcoin pumping, so you know we are feeling in the good mood today. Kind of want to play Dodge Daddy, but I don't want to crash the markets just yet, you know. I think we're gonna wait until December before we play Dodge Daddy. So the way I see it, you know, the longer I, you know, don't play Dodge Daddy, the better this is. Badge Guitar, Sheen and Martin is here. Vincent and Save with Crypto is here as well. Hi guys, how is everybody doing? As you can see, there are not many people here, but you know, that's because notifications, goddamn notifications. Don't go out. That's fine, man. That's fine. I don't need like 2,000 people watching, you know, to make the show. It's fine. Ron is here as well. I mean, how you doing? How you doing? Are you excited about what's happening today with Bitcoin? Badge Guitar. So this is not Bitcoin. This is Shiba Inu. But I was just thinking that Shiba looks better than Cardano. I was thinking that Shiba looks better than Cardano. Let's see, look at the daily up here. Daily, let's look at the Shiba on the daily. Maybe not. 1 hourly on Shiba looks nice. Feeling good. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's see here what's up on Bitcoin. You just remove this line. So it looks like we are pumping more. This is new week. We closed previous week above a very important resistance. We closed above this resistance up here. We closed above this up here. We closed above, didn't close above this one. But yeah, everything. So yeah, so we got the next resistance should be up there somewhere. So we closed above certain resistance. We had very bullish. This is a very bullish weekly close. So it's nice. There is nothing to, you know, to take away from this, but you know, it is bullish. We have something, you know, we have divergence here. I don't know if there is divergence right now. I think it's correcting. Yeah, it's correct. There is no divergence on the weekly time frame. It was a little bit divergence here before we actually, you know, made this second candle up here. It was a little, but you know, if this continues pumping, there will be no divergence, and of course there is no divergence right now. So no divergence right now. Everything looks nice and dandy. You know, we are creating higher highs. No problem there. Right now, even on this small time frame, Bitcoin is right now pumping. You can see the volume is going down while it was going sideways, but right now it's trying to go up, you know, so I should expect the volume to pick up, you know, again slowly towards the upside. Still above all the moving averages, all look nice and dandy. I still see no problem here. Let's see on the 4 hour. The 4 hour we closed very nicely this peak candle. Yesterday was, you know, pumping, you know, leverage liquidation time down on this candle down here. It was pretty extensive. Let's look at the 1 minute chart, because I think 1 minute chart is a lot more telling. Where was it? This one over here. This move up here, you know, it slowly started going up. Everybody FOMO'd in, then went all the way down, and it kind of went sideways, and then, you know, continued to go back up again. But it was, you know, it went, you know, really fast, you know, towards the upside, and dumped really fast towards the downside. So I think, you know, some kind of liquidation mechanism was in place there. And we also saw that on BTC USD. On the Bitstamp, if you look at a candle up here, yesterday somebody with fat fingers sold like something like 200 Bitcoin or something like that. Or it was some kind of liquidation engine that liquidated a lot of people. It went down all the way down to 50,000 with the week. You know, I don't know if that's because Bitstamp doesn't have enough liquidity or volume or what it is, you know, but the dump down did really, you know, I'm thinking somebody with fat fingers just got scared and just like liquidated, like closed this position, like on market, and you know, stuff like that happens. Anyways, you can see here, for example, Coinbase, there was no wick to the downside. But right now we are going towards the upside, even on the 4 hourly. Like, it doesn't matter what kind of resistance you are using up here. Everything got broken, literally everything got broken on the upside with this candle up here, which you know, this some kind of, you know, some kind of spring effect we had over here, right now going higher again. It looks good. It looks good. Like it's really hard to be bearish on Bitcoin right now, even with this move towards the upside. When it's breaking on the 4-hourly, daily looks nice. It's going towards the upside. Let's see if there is any divergence or not. There is divergence, but if it pumps more, there will be no divergence. So right now there is divergence, but you know, this is not finished. It's a lag indicator, so you know, don't take it too seriously. Nothing to say there, but everything else looks nice. Everything else looks nice. 4-hourly, 1-hourly, everything looks nice. I don't see any problems with Bitcoin. I don't see any problems with Bitcoin. So this looks like some kind of steps. You can see first step, then sideways, and second step, then sideways. Right now we are getting this third step and the sideways, right? So you're getting these chaired steps going on here. Like literally nothing to say about bad about Bitcoin right now. These are old lines. I don't know how I get these lines back. It's fine. I think he stores the lines. These lines down here, I don't know how these lines popped up here because I removed them a long time ago. Doesn't matter. These lines, these were the support lines that we are looking at. So we are looking for, if we fail this, you know, going down to 20, fail this, we're gonna down there. Nah, man, nah. See, there we go. That's removing the lines. Okay, so let's see if the trend is broken down here. We don't actually have any trend because we don't have it down here. Let's see 4-hourly. Well, the trend, I mean, some kind of trend got broken, and right now going exactly to the resistance of the same set trend up here. So we're gonna see if we can actually break it to the upside. Anyways, what are you guys seeing? Because you know, I'm not seeing very much. You know, I'm just seeing bullishness all over the place, ready for the pump. Hello XCD, how you doing, man? All good, I do. How are you? Shino, I'm doing fine. Doing good, doing good. Exactly, notifications always late. Yeah, notifications are, you know, to be, you know, 9 a.m. You know, you just come to the show, 9 a.m. Central European time. There will be show every single day, 9 a.m. Central European time. So don't worry about it. When BTC moves violently to the upside, it sucks the liquidity from the whole market. Once BTC slows down, the money will start flowing into altcoins again. And believe me, there will be a lot of it. Yeah, we know that. We have said it. Did you see the Meta Heroes pump? Yeah, I did actually see Meta Heroes pump. We can check it out again. It was kind of you know, I won't say expected, but you know, we were looking, you know, for the move to the upside on MetaMask. That's why I'll go back to 52k. This is Meta Hero. It just continues pumping. You know, yesterday it was let's see the daily time frame up here. Yeah, but it's not, yeah, this is the pump, this pump, but we had this very nice trend line. We said once we break the trend line, you know, it might be, you know, a big move, and yeah, it's big move, it's big one. Let's see, 50% or something like that right now. So MetaMask is doing nice. A little wary of this 57 level, but hopeful. If you ask me, it will go back to 52, then pump higher. So you did not buy in then. You're out of the market. I get it, I get it. It will go down to 52. 52 is down here. Why should it go? We already was at 52 level, man. If you see 52, nah, we weren't. This is 52 level. Where is 52 level? This is 52. So I think we're gonna, you know, revisit this, even this down here, 51.7. So I think we're gonna go down here. Why should we go down here? We just went here and we're continuing going up. You are getting left behind, man. You're getting left behind. Let's check weekly time frame. How today looks chart. We already did check weekly timeline. You are just late. I'm not gonna do like five checks on the weekly timeline. Weekly does look very good. You know, broken some kind of upper level. Weekly looks insanely good. Holding BTC, ETH, XRP, and OMI. Sleeping well, but nervous of this bidden executive order. What kind of executive order are you talking about? Sub bro, can you do ADA or XRP, please? Yeah, I will do videos on XRP and ADA, but that will be later today. So I don't see anything, guys. I don't see anything. I don't see literally anything. Let's see if there is, you know, I wasn't very prepared for this show today. So let's see up here on the weekly time frame. Now let's see monthly. On monthly time frame, there is one resistance to be wary about. That's this at 58,800. 58,800. So if we can, but on monthly we still got like 20 days left to break this this resistance, you know. And this you know, extend, smack, hug, dump it's not happening because we are actually, you know, getting away from this moving average. So we're gonna see how this plays out, but right now this is actually a good move if it can continue going up. You know, we don't want to just have a big wick down here and then next, you know, start dumping down here. But this is a weekly time frame, you know, too long time frame. But you can see that we are pretty close to that level, 58,000 up here. We are pretty close to that level, and you know, we might just hit it pretty soon. Up here there's a lot of resistance, guys. Up here there's a lot of resistance between. Let me just clean the chart. Between something like 55,781 that we are breaking right now, and all the way to the top 59,000. This is the area to break, guys. This is the area to break. This is the area to break. Because below, between here, there are some important levels to consider. Yeah, those are the levels. You can see here. So this is the area to break, guys. This is the last, I don't know what to call it, last something, right? Last something, and that's the area to break. And you can see here, we are right now sitting at the resistance, even on this resistance on this this line, this trend line up here. The trend line has these two touches, creating right now this third touch. So whether we are hitting the top right now, exactly inside the resistance area or not, kind of difficult to say, but it does look good. It does look good. I won't say anything, you know. It does look good, but you can see here on the dollar hitting this resistance right now. You know, let's see the 4 hourly how it looks. So you're gonna see how this plays out. 3.5% today. I think it's a little high today, you know, to be this early in the morning, you know, 3-4%, you know, this early. So it's either gonna pump really hard, but because like what's gonna do, like stop here like for the rest of the day and then do something else. You know. 1 hourly looks like a replay of the 4 hour of the daily. See daily, how daily looks, and 1 hourly looks like the replay of that same move. So over here on the 1 hourly, you know, maybe we are waiting for this 10 and 20 moving average to come closer to us and maybe push us towards the upside. But right now, let's see the one now. Volume on the 1 hourly is not that important. Yeah, so we're gonna see, but we are getting into this resistance area, and it's gonna be interesting to see if we can actually manage to break it or not. One less pump. There is no one less pump. It's one more pump to break it, and then we're gonna have 7 more pumps after that. One less pump. Daily bull flag playing out. Daily bull flag. Yeah. I would say this is a bull flag. You know, bull flag goes down like this, and or you know, some kind of triangle or something. It doesn't go in channel towards the upside. I don't, you know, channel towards the upside is not bad, but this was more like sideways channel. What do you have for breakfast, Tila? Do you burek in Norway? I'm just having my coffee, man. I don't eat breakfast. XRP, please, brother. Yeah, XRP will come later today. It's what's been going on. Pump then sideways, then pump. That's good, man. Pump sideways is good. Now today is a breakout. Before today it was like a symmetrical triangle. Yeah, today is a breakout. Symmetrical triangle. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. Like there might have been something like this up here that I have not noticed, you know. Maybe I haven't noticed this. Maybe there was some kind of a triangle going on over here or something like that. Then it should go down here and it should go up here. And maybe on the 4 hourly you can see it. Let's see if there's on a 4 hourly something like this. No, it's not. It's down here. No, it's not. It's not good enough. It's not good enough. Like there's nothing. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Symmetrical on daily. Symmetrical on daily. I don't see any kind of pattern right now. To be honest with you, you know, down here there was, you know, some kind of double bottom. Up here there was some kind of rising wedge that we dumped down from. Right now over here it's just like maybe some kind of channel towards the upside. Like that's the best I can do for you guys. The channel to the upside, I mean, that's the best right now that I can do. You see here, give or take, this channel, call it. Yeah, it is some kind of channel, right? So we are at the top of the channel, exactly at the trend line, inside the resistance area, big resistance area. But these 3 weeks up here, right? These 3 weeks, like, just go up, touch it, and get right back down. Try it, touch it. Right now we're gonna see if we're gonna come right back down again. But it's hitting this resistance on the upside, and on the downside it was hitting support. So it is like symmetrical, a flag, but it's going towards the upside. Unfortunately, it's going towards the upside. Let's see here on the daily. This is going down while this is going up. Yeah, we're gonna see. It looks bullish. Here's the thing I want you to follow. This because this 10 and 20 moving average are right now inside the channel. So there are two things that need to happen for us to break. First, if we break on the downside out of this channel, that's a bad thing. But first you will notice when we break the 10 and 20 like this over here. So if we close below 10 and 20, that's first sign something bad might happen. And then the second sign is breaking on the bottom sign out of this channel. And on the upside, doesn't matter how we do this, but I think if we start closing above here, that might be good. Doesn't matter where we close it, as long as we close out of the channel, it might be actually a good thing. Let's see where next, and when it comes to channel, channels are pretty standard stuff. It's not a perfect channel though. It's a give or take, something like that. So out of this channel, next resistance should be down here. Let's use something else. Yeah, let's not use this built-in. Let's use our own very own personal stuff. Fib channels. Yeah, we like fib channels, but it's a different kind of fib channels because they're just giving you the lines, and we like the lines. Let's see a little bit down here, just a little bit, move it up here. I don't need 5,000 lines, I need it is something like this up here, right? Yeah, give or take down here. Let me zoom in. There are too many lines, but yeah, whatever. The mid level, this upper level, and the next level should be around something like 58,000 up here, right? Depends on this, because this next level is I would consider this mid level also to be important. So there goes something like this, right? And this one up here is the next level, and that's around 58,000, something like that. So if you do break the channel up here at around 56, 57,000, the next level should be around 58, 59, give or take 58 something up here. Also this resistance up here at 58.3 might actually come in handy. So that's the next, because these channels usually work that way. It's a big channel, but this is top, this is bottom, so maybe it's gonna go all the way up to 60k. Because it's pretty close. Because the way I see it, this channel can be watched as a big channel or a double channel, right? So you got this mid line, and then you got top and bottom. But if you look at just one channel, then it should break up all the way to the next channel, right up here, the second line, right? But oftentimes there are these mid lines, and right now it does look like it has this middle channel in here. So it has actually double channel inside one channel, and this midline up here, it's only up 58, something like that. So yeah, don't know how this actually, and the first target either way should be around 58.3 or something like that up here. And then afterwards, if it can break that, we are going to some kind of 60 levels up here, right? Because that's where the channel is. That's where this channel is. So maybe that's the thing. That's the thing. Bro, give me hope you my alts exploded. Elmao. Which else? I see just 3% on everything, but it's a good thing, you know. Usually when Bitcoin does 3%, alts are like plus 1%, but right now like alts are plus 3%, so you know it's good. Maybe they're picking up. Captain BT Crypto. Hi girl, how do you like your meta hero? I remember you have meta hero. Need to give BTC a stereo shot. Lol. If you look at the 1 hourly, we are currently sideways channel. Yeah. So, you know, it's, I mean, the target should be around here at 58.2 or 60,000, like give or take, right? But most important thing to notice out of this, let's just remove this one up here, is this trend line up here, is this trend line, right? Once we break the trend line, we are going higher, but until we break the trend line, there is no higher. So this trend line, this stick line up here, we need to break that. Also the same resistance here at 56.9 or something like that is actually holding us up. This 57 target actually, you know, came true. The 67 target is, you know, the rising triangle, ascending wedge up here. The target was up here at 57,000, if you guys remember correctly. It's hitting it on the dollar, actually, on the dollar. 56,975. So you know the target is hit for this ascending triangle. We had this ascending triangle here for a long time, and you know, even though we broke up here, we went back down and then we broke again towards the upside, but the target did get hit, 57,000. And now we have this channel, and on the big channel the target is around 60,000, but there is this middle channel up here that might just say that first leg should go only up to something like 58.3 up here. So you know, there are two targets that are like 60k target, and you got this 58.3 target. So these are the two next targets, just in case we break out of this channel up here. If we break out the channel, these are the two next targets, the way I see it right now, just by analyzing the channel up here, they should be targets. And also they, you know, they correspond really nicely with these other you know, purple lines, these other resistance lines. So you know, some of these resistance lines will act as, of course, pretty decent resistance. Also 57.5 might, you know, stop us a little bit because the resistance on the way up, but just by looking at the channels, you know, 60 and 58.3. But that implies that we have to get above the channel. We have to get above the channel, right? So first thing first, get above the channel, then we're gonna talk about the targets. But that said, talk about targets. That said, it looks bullish. I cannot find on anything right now. Something bearish about Bitcoin, guys. I cannot find anything bearish about Bitcoin. And I tried to looking for something bearish, you know. Even the monthly right now, it's playing, you know, on monthly time frame. I had this up here going on a smack, you know, a smack and hug, you know, extend, smack, hug, dump pattern. But you know, even that is right now, you know, going towards the upside. So even that looks good now. Still 20 days left, so it can still go down. But you know, even that looks good now. So slowly we are climbing. I also know that, you know, mainstream people are coming back into the charts, into the Bitcoin. So I don't know. It looks bullish to me. Anywhere you go, it looks bullish. There are many people that held on. Yeah, it's hard to put, you know, a lot of money in something, but you know. Play Dodge Daddy and you will bearishness. Yeah, we're not playing Dodge Daddy until December. Yeah, the moon is doing exactly as we expected. Exactly. Yeah, teach them, Sheen. Teach them, Sheen. Oh, Sean. Yeah. Jonas, a lot of them also just short after a bull trap in April. Not one reason can cause something that morning. Player, good morning. The moon is not working. I don't want to believe in the moon anymore, but it's so hard. No, the moon is actually working. During this, during the bull market, the moon shouldn't, the new moon cannot dump the price. The village idiot. Welcome to the TFS. Yeah, we are looking for one village idiot, so it's good that we have somebody. Hey man, welcome to the TFS club. I did not expect anybody to dodge TFS club. Yesterday I expected one guy joined, but today, why not? And since your first time here, we got this thing where new TFN club members get to pick the coin. Doesn't matter if it's live stream or not on Bitcoin Daily. So pick the coin, we'll check the coin for you, man. Okay? The village idiot. Yeah, we need that guy. We need that guy in the fans club. Good hair day today. I don't know. It's fine. 60k target until Wednesday. I don't know if it's 60k target until Wednesday or tomorrow, how fast this is gonna go, but I think these are right now. If this is on the breakout out of the channel, I think these are two should be the targets. So which one? Yo, adopter, can you make 2-minute review on BNB, please? BNB is just going kind of we are waiting for this breakout. See the triangle? This is BNB, this is triangle, and it needs to break out up here. It went up, went a little bit down. It's still getting some kind of support, but it's not terrible until it breaks down here, and it's not bad until it breaks down here. And the breakout up here, that's what we're waiting for. So it's kind of boring. It's kind of boring. It does not do anything much. It just goes up in this ending phase of this triangle. Ending phase of the triangle. I'm actually wondering if the cup and handle on ETH daily is now invalid. Maybe you said previously. If so, sorry. And thanks for your welcome. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. ETH cup and handle daily is invalidated. So this is the cup and handle that people are talking about right now, and I won't say it's invalid because this can go like zigzag towards the upside and it will still be cup and handle. But in theory it will still be cup and handle, right? So the trend line up here is important, and eventually you have to break the trend line. And I was looking at it actually yesterday, and I said, like, it looks good, man. It looks good. On the weekly, it looks good. See here, we went down below 10 moving average, then pumped, then managed to stay above it, and right now we're pumping, again on the 10 moving average. Right now, Bitcoin 4%, man. This is just going up, man. No stoppage, Moon next. Look here, man. So Ethereum is going up a little bit up here, right? So Ethereum looks good on the weekly time frame. I got nothing against Ethereum. Like, no bearish cross either. It looks like it's gonna bounce. I mean, it looks like doesn't mean it will, but you see here went down to 50 and right now bouncing right back up again. There is this trend line up here, I think. Let's see, this is the weekly trend line. No, this is the monthly trend line. No, this is not even monthly trend line, weekly. Where do I have the line from? Oh yeah, that's this line up here that we have to break. So we went down, went up, did not break that, but we said, like, once we break this on this level up here on what's that, 1613 on the daily, that's gonna be very bullish momentum because of this high, and then you're gonna get higher high, because right now it's high and lower high, so it goes down, right? So you want to have this, and want to have this, and you want to go higher. And maybe this is some kind of, I've been wrong about head and shoulders before, but maybe it's doing something like this. It's quite, remember, some kind of 4-hourly time frame. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. I don't know. I don't think that's some kind of head and shoulders pattern, but it is important line to break the 3614. You want to get above this level up here. You want to get above this level. You can see here we came close. We went up here, then went down, and then up here we went pretty close several times. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row we tried to break this level, couldn't, went down, and right now we're trying again going up, and I think this second try might actually break. Now if we break this level up here, the next level to break, you know, next resistance, I think it's you know, the trend line up here, the trend line. And if we break this one up here and close above it, you know, that's gonna be another bullish sign. That's much say like, amen, we're going up here. But it's pretty close, and I don't think this cup and handle, it's invalidated. By the way guys, the cup and handle, you know, you cannot see this. This isn't the target for cup and handle. The cup and handle here is a logarithmic, so it's a little bit different, and the target should be, let's just use the bottom up here to give it the most juice as possible. So when you move it up, actually this is quite big, 6,003. Okay, it's actually quite a lot. You know, sometimes, you know, when you move from here to here, it becomes very small, but you know, it's not over here. It's not over here. It looks good. Isaac Tronics, can you check MTV? I'm here every day. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, this is the last one. Guys, you know, don't super chat and ask for stuff, because you know, I won't do it. I won't do it. MTV. Who's watching MTV nowadays, man? MTV on Qcoin. MTV on Qcoin. Well, it's all-time high. It's going higher. Let's see the weekly. How did weekly close? Weekly close nice above 10 moving average. Going into this kind of sideways motion. Looks like it's gonna blast out. You want to get above this level up here at 21. Eventually, right? That's gonna be breaking the all-time high up here on the weekly time frame. So that's important level to break. It's not up here actually at 23. It's at 21. Looks very good. We had this you know, pullback down here. Pullback down here into the 50 moving average 1-2 times. Right now getting above all the moving averages. It looks like it's gonna go above the resistance up here. Once it goes up to the resistance up here, it might actually go higher. And this moved up here, it was actually, you know, this actually, everything up here is going kind of sideways. Let's see the weekly time frame up here. That's good. It's just going sideways, but the volume is going down. That's okay. No interest in the sideways movement. So it looks nice. It looks nice. Not gonna say much about it. Let's see here the technicals. Getting this bullish cross on the daily time frame. That's actually a good thing. That's actually a good thing. So this MTV might actually start pumping soon. Let's see weekly. Weekly already got bullish cross and no bearish cross yet in sight. So I think this can pump. No overbought levels on the daily, on the weekly. Everything looks fine. Yeah, it looks fine. It looks like you just, you know, pumped, and right now going to some kind of, you know, pennant consolidation period before it pumps up. If it wants to pump more, I think it gotta go above 0.21, and you can see it does look good already. It does look good already. It's back above the moving averages on the daily for 1, 2, 3, third day in a row. So you know, it might start pumping. You know, you want to watch the 21 level. That's gonna be nice. Tiela, love the new fresh out of bed look. Yeah. Like the like ratio could do improvement, people. Listen to Rodney, guys. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Hey, brother, can you check out SRM? I'm curious about it being a buy. It might be a buy. We're gonna see that. We're gonna see that, but not right now. I'm done, guys. I gotta go. I got stuff to do today. Actually, I got lots of. So the daily videos won't be coming right after, you know, Bitcoin daily, but it will come a little bit later today. So I will be doing XRP, Harmony One, Cardano, Shiba Inu, Phantom, Solana, DYDX, and Matic. There will be, you know, short videos today on the YouTube channel. Not all the videos get notifications, so you gotta actually go to the, you know, channel and check out, hey man, did you post a video? Because YouTube only sends notifications for like 2 or 3 videos, during the day. So if you wanna see the rest of the videos, you gotta stop by. That said, Bitcoin looks bullish to me, guys. Bitcoin bullish to me. Watch out the breakout. Watch out the breakout, guys. Watch the breakout. Still no breakout. You know, it's close but no breakout. It's close but no breakout. But breakout once it starts happening up here, you know, 58, 60k. Those are targets. Anyways, guys, that's it. I'm done. I gotta go. I got stuff to do. I got stuff to buy. Got stuff to pick up. Got stuff to fix. You know, so many stuff to do, man. Daily video on gaming tokens, please. Nah, that's not gonna happen. Okay, guys, see you around. Bye bye. Wait. There we go.